Walaikum salam. Hello, young man. What's your problem?
Dr. Saad, I am suffering from fever,
Mm-hmm.
head pain,
Mm-hmm.
eyes pain,
Mm-hmm.
running noise, change voice, and also irritation in ear from yesterday.
Mm-hmm. What was you doing yesterday? How did you get cold?
Yesterday running cycle half sleep.
You were
Temperature in for -4 degree.
you were doing cycling, half sleeves, and 4 degree.
Yes, sir.
Wow, I must say he was impressing his girlfriend.
No, sir.
So, uh, as Assalamu alaikum, guys. Good evening. My name is Dr. Zubair Akhtar Bhatti, presenting on my OPD clinic. This young man named Muhammad Jamshed Bashir has presented me with signs and symptoms of headache, runny nose, itching in eyes, tears in eyes, redness in eyes, continuously flu symptoms from the other night. He has change in the pitch of his voice, irritation in his ear. I'm right.
Yes, sir.
And moreover, he also told me that he is suffering from fatigue, some lethargy, and even nausea and vomiting as well. On my detailed history to this guy, he has just told me that the other day, one day ago, he was doing cycling in half sleeves at 4 degrees centigrade. As I said, he must be impressing his girlfriend in these conditions. Now he has got these signs and symptoms. On the basis of clinical experience, just like he has told me signs and symptoms, and I have done a questionnaire in detailed history to him, we would go for some further diagnostic test. As through sign and symptom, this seems a case of viral infection. So I have just received his lab reports, and I have physically done to him skin percussion test. In skin percussion test and through lab diagnostic values in IgE anti-allergic antibodies test, I have just confirmed that he has suffering from allergic rhinitis. So, guys, allergic rhinitis is typically a viral infection in which the causative agent is rhinovirus. It is the main culprit in this case, the pathogen being is rhinovirus. Although it can also be caused, or it can also be happened when body is exposed to coronavirus attack or H influenza virus as well. So when we talk about viral diseases or viral infectious processes, every infectious process consists of 4 stages. First stage being is the incubation period of that typical agent into body. Second phase is the specific illness stage. Third stage being is the recovery stage. Anyhow, in further detailed studies, these stages are somewhere divided as 3 stages, somewhere these are divided as 4 stages. After incubation stage, some scientists believe that there is also a prodromal stage in which only non-specific symptoms are also appeared. So, as this man is suffering from the allergic rhinitis, so it is caused by rhinovirus, and rhinovirus incubation period is from 7 to 12 hours, or it can range from 12 hours to 72 hours. As he told me that he just suffered a common cold, he got a cold attack in yesterday. Up to now, almost time has done 24 hours have been passed, and his first symptoms, according to him, appeared early in the morning. The other day, yesterday, he was very fine. So this is his incubation period. As according to him, in the noon he was doing cycling, half sleeves, without any mask, without any jacket or coat. He suffered common cold, and he actually got the suitable environment for the attack of rhinovirus. When any pathogen enters into body, it don't show any symptoms. It goes for almost few hours duration to get multiply and increase his population to attack into body. as he get yesterday at virus, but he developed signs and symptoms today. This interval of almost 7 to 12 hours is the incubation period of rhinovirus. Now, currently, he is with full-fledged symptoms like he has runny nose, he is continuously sneezing, he has irritation, his eyes are watery and red, he is suffering irritation and allergy in his ear, even he change in voice. He has also change in voice, and he just told me that he is suffering headache due to the mucal thickening in frontal, nasal and ethmoidal sinuses. So this patient right now is in full-fledged flow of symptoms. Now this is the specific illness stage of the disease. When all symptoms, all specific clinical signs and symptoms appear and all clinical manifestations are present on your table, this phase of disease or this phase of infectious process is called specific illness stage. After that, I will prescribe this patient according to symptomatic and according to causative agents. I will prescribe him acyclovir. I will give him antivirals as I said, rhinovirus, the causative agent is a virus. So I will give him antiviral drug, and like I can give him acyclovir. After that, I will also treat him symptomatic treatments, conservative treatment. I also would apply for runny nose, for decongestion, for irritation, for change in voice. I will also give him antihistamine, I will give him corticosteroids, I will give him decongestant with the combination of acyclovir. So, young man, I am prescribing you with acyclovir, antihistamine, corticosteroids, decongestant, and you have to report me 6 to 7 days later. So guys, this man Jamshed Bashir has presented me after my prescription 7 days later. Now I can see him physically, he is quite looking okay and normal. Anyhow, for my confirmations and satisfaction, I will ask him some questions. So Jamshed, you are suffering any stiffness in your eyebrows or your nasals area?
No, sir, I am.
No? Voice is okay as I can hear. There any irritation in your ears? Do you sleep any? Do you feel any allergy or watery eyes in case of dust or pollens or
No, sir,
etc?
fine. Okay.
So,
Thank you, sir.
thanks. So as I told you guys, I had written him prescription. He has presented me again, and now as according to us, as you can also see, that he is quite okay. For 7 days, I gave him prescription. Actually, this prescription was 5 days. After 7 days, he told me that he was full-fledged, 100% okay. So now I want to tell you something. As this boy 7 days earlier was in the peak of his symptoms, now he is quite normal. The time period when your symptomatic treatment is done or your infectious clinical manifestations decline and become zero, your patient become okay and normal. This time period in any infectious disease is termed as recovery period. So our patient is recovered now. As I told, any infectious process, as he was suffering from the rhinitis, allergic rhinitis, he suffered 3 stages. Incubation period, when he was asymptomatic, sorry using for my local term. Second phase, when he presented, when he came to clinic, mostly patient comes to hospital and clinic when they are symptomatic, or we can say when patient is in the phase of peak of his symptoms. This phase of any viral infectious disease is termed as a specific illness stage. Then after that, when your treatment is started, your doctor gives you prescriptions, you follow the medications, and the time period which you have to take from the specific illness stage to your normal phase of life, when you are back to your normal life, it is termed as normal recovery time period, or we can say it recovery stage. So for rhinitis, for rhinoviruses, the recovery time period is 7 days for adult males, and for kids it can be longer, it can be up to 10 to 11 days. As this is quite young, he is 20 years old. He just takes 7 days to become full-fledged normal and become fully healthy. I hope you have understood that how a doctor or practitioner approach to any case, any infectious disease. It can be bacterial infection, it can be viral infection. In our case, this was viral infection. This is the way your doctor evaluates and treat any viral infectious disease, and how it is separated into 3 stages. Thanks.